Alrighty. Everybody have their vocab all situated? Just about?
Did you record that as a grade? I'm gonna.
What?
Did you record that as a grade?
Is it, would it be due today? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll take a pen, bro.
Yeah, let's get out your vocab so I can check it.
Oh, frick.
I will do that. You know where those sticky notes are? All right, let's go over your vocab quiz that you'll be having tomorrow.
Miss Ragnar, when's your last day?
In here, Friday.
What?
It is. Yeah. I'll be around the school next week though.
Did you get it cut? I think so.
I did. I don't like it. They always mess up my hair.
Fresh.
Thank you.
I should have left the facial hair.
Yeah, I know. Makes me look 16. Okay, let's talk.
Like in that one video.
Let's talk vocab. Yeah.
Do you look like that? Not making fun of you like that. I'm just...
What's a chemical reaction where energy is released from it? Oh wait. Oh, that light is released specifically.
Yeah.
That light.
Thermal. Oh no, that's temperature.
Thermal is temperature. Yep. Yeah, exogonic. Exogonic. Yep.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you call it when one element switches with another?
Single replacement.
Single replacement. What do you call it when a chemical equation has the same amount of atoms of one element, of all elements on one side as the other?
Balanced equation.
It's a balanced equation. Yep.
Maybe. Yeah.
What is the shorthand of a chemical reaction? Chemical equation. Yep, the shorthand of a reaction where it's using the symbols instead of the names. It's a chemical equation. What is a substance that speeds up a reaction? A catalyst.
Like a callus. Like a callus in the wash.
What's the number that goes in front of coefficient? Yeah. Yeah, you're good. So it's the number that goes in front of a compound in order to balance it would be the coefficient. Yep. Absolutely correct. Oh.
The line woods.
What's the insoluble part of a chemical reaction on the product side? It's a precipitate. Just like rain. Precipitation. No. No, you cannot. Good question, though. It would be nice. I wish. There you go. We will never catch that, especially since he told us. What's it called when something breaks down? What kind of reaction? Decomposition.
Is this multiple choice by chance?
It is multiple choice. Well, not multiple choice. Oh, you've never had one, have you? So we've got all of the word bank. Yep, word banked.
Yeah. You could write the answers on.
What's it called? Something that slows down a reaction.
I know this one. I've seen it.
What slows down a chemical reaction? Inhibitor. Slows down the reaction. Inhibits the reaction to take place. Good? Okay. Grand. Oh, what's something that needs energy? Well, I don't think it's on there. Maybe it is. Mind if I borrow that?
That needs energy to keep. What do you say?
Please. Thank you.
What do you say?
Oh, yeah. What's a reaction that requires energy for it to? Endothermic. It needs energy. It pulls energy from outside and makes the reaction take place. When it releases, endo. So, yep, endo means in. So endothermic means it pulls energy in to the reaction. Exo means out. So it pushes energy out of the reaction. Exothermic, endothermic. That's all I got for you. Let's do some problems on the board real quickly. Okay. The video at the very beginning of the chapter, long time ago. You remember that?
Is that here?
What?
Is that here?
It was here. I don't know if you're here. I don't know. It was a month ago. There's a couple people. I don't know. No, it was a full house. I do remember that. What is the 3 elements needed for fire? In wood. It's better way. Yes, we did write this down, and we wrote this down, and after the video finished, we talked about it. So what are the 3 elements needed in a fire?
Carbon, oxygen.
Oxygen, carbon, hydrogen. You'll probably want these.
When you make a fire, what do you put in it?
Here. And you've seen something like this, C8H18, I don't know, plus O2. C.
That's how you make a fire? No. Yeah. You forgot to put the F, like.
What?
It's in the line.
What is this?
That's combustion.
No, that's an F. I put it above it.
Combustion.
That's a combustion reactor. What's combustion?
Water.
Fire. Fire is combustion. So every element, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Every element that's listed here is in the combustion reaction, and that's it. I'd write that down. That you need oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen for fire. You need carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen for fire. That's how I'd write it down.
So we can make a fire if we put all those together.
No. It needs to be in a very specific category. But,
We should try it.
so you need all of these, yes, but it needs to be in a specific orientation and
try?
compounds.
What's the orientation?
So if you have graphite and water, you can give it a shot. There you go. Graphite, there you go. And water.
Let's go do it outside.
Won't do anything. We can do it right here on the desk.
But once start a fire,
Let's do it.
Here, let's try it.
put it in the microwave.
No. Try it on your own time. It won't do anything, I'll tell you.
Wait, how do you make a fire?
What?
How do you make a fire?
You take wood. So,
No, like in that way.
oh, in this way?
Yeah.
So this will be like this. So this is a compound, and this is, I don't know, that's a good question. Looks like that, kind of. It does. Believe it or not,
These look like that, you better not go in there.
in organic chemistry, that's a compound. You need something looking like that in order to start a fire. Okay, shh. Let's get back to it. I got sidetracked. So, what's the toughest bond to break in nature? It's a diatomic element. Nitrogen, absolutely. Nitrogen is the toughest bond. An N2 bond, or it's like this. That's the toughest bond to break. Chemical bond. What? Diatomic? Chemical? Oxygen. Nope, it's nitrogen. Ni- it's the hardest. You cannot break this apart easily. It's really hard to break. Does that make sense? So, I foresee a problem looking like this. You know, I write down what is the toughest bond to break in nature. I give you O2, H2, N2, or F2. And you gotta tell me which one's the hardest.
She was. She used to be straight back. Tuck her over your mother.
Shh. All right. Enough of that. Quiet. Why are we still talking? Hey, quiet. Pay attention. Face the front. Okay. What's the toughest bond to break in nature? Nitrogen, an N2 bond. All right, it's going to be on the test. I promise you that. Which molecule is vital for fertilizer? You wouldn't know this. Probably not, unless you have it written down a long time ago. Ammonium. NH3. Or ammonia, excuse me. Ammonium is NH4. Yeah. Ammonium. NH3. I give you it as NH3. Yes, Haber-Bosch. Maybe they walk out the door today. Yeah, I like that. That's a good idea. All right, let's do one more question. What process created NH3? What's the process that creates ammonium? Somebody just said it. Haber-Bosch. Yep. Cool. I think that's all of what we're gonna do from the video. Okay, pull out a sheet of paper. It'd be about half a sheet. Pull out a sheet of paper, everybody. Please, please, please. Sheet of paper. Just like a notebook paper. What? Tear it out. Yep, you can tear it out. All right, now I'm going to quiz you on what we were just talking about. See who's paying attention.